Simple Man done sent me air conditioning. 6,000 BTU. Estimated yearly energy cost $54. That's right good. Let's see what's going on here. He didn't know I had central air. So double box. Oh boy, it's just like Christmas time. Look at wishy weather was. That'd be a 028 AV. So what's better than an 028 AV? Two of them. Thanks for the part saws, Simple Man. Maybe I can take the best one and make it spin. Anyhow, it's hard to meet people that much better than Simple Man. The chainsaw community just keeps on giving and giving and giving. Oh yeah. It's been used, but it turns. The other one turns too. Thanks, Simple Man.